Hi guys, welcome back to another quick and short video. So I am in this USD card trade. I took it very early this morning, and if you watched my video from yesterday when I talked about just aiming for 50 pips, a strategy that you can use to just aim for 50 pips, this is the approach. Really, it's very simple. You probably understand why I took this trade after what happened last night. I'm in South Africa, so for some of you it might be morning or afternoon with the Fed. I waited for a retracement or a retest to just see if we're going to drop down, or we're just going to test this zone before I took a buy. So I took a buy, and my aim was just around about this area that we've just reached here. I just moved my TP here just for argument's sake, really, but otherwise from here on everything is a bonus. So it just goes to show you can really collect these pips in the market without putting too much work on yourself. You just need to wake up, have a good strategy. I'm not saying use my approach, I'm not saying use my strategy, but you can just wake up with an approach and just aim for 50 pips. Just aim for 50 pips and you can actually do it, guys. You don't need to stress a lot. Where is my 50 pips? It's somewhere around there, so I'll need to close this trade as soon as I'm done with the video. That's all that you need to do, and you begin to see that gradual growth with your account. People tend to just want to see a massive spike of growth on their account, something like this, like from $10 to $1,000, just like that, or from $100 to $1,000, just like that. This is what gets people blown in the forex market. What you want to do instead is to see gradual increase in your account. So yeah, I thought let me just share with you a practical example of what we talked about yesterday. The main opportunities to actually do this really after what happened with the Fed last night. Again, I'm in South Africa, so if I'm saying last night, and for you maybe it was actually afternoon or it was morning, so bear with me when I say when it happened last night. So many opportunities to just collect 50 pips, and definitely get out of the market. A good opportunity here with GBP USD. Just collect your money and you get out of the market. I think when we did that video, GBP USD was just playing around this area here. It wasn't really sure where it wanted to go, whether it wanted to go this direction or that direction, and I even gave an example that you can actually sell here and just close here, or even buy there and close there. So that's really how simple it can be if you are really up to it, if you don't want to complicate your life with collecting these 50 pips. But in any case, before I end the video, I'm going to leave you with something. It's a website that has become handy for me when it comes to trading the markets. If you are really serious about getting deep into things, understanding why is Euro USD doing what it's doing, why is GBP USD doing whatever it's doing, I think you need to use this website. It's called tradingeconomics.com. So it basically lays out a whole lot of economics, and maybe for some of you it might be a lot and you might not understand what's happening and stuff like that. For example, here we've got countries, we've got their GDP, we've got GDP growth, GDP growth, interest rates, inflation rate, jobless rate, and things like that. It's like right in front of you. You don't need to go anywhere to Google some of these things. And they actually have a feed of news, economic data, economic news as it comes in. Then here we have our market watch with commodities, with forex, with indices, with stocks, bonds, cryptos. Really, if you are really interested in digging deep into the economics or the machine of foreign exchange, the machine of forex trading, what moves it, how it moves, and things like that, this is a good website to get your hands dirty. Really, they've got a calendar there. Maybe I'll actually do a more robust video into this website and how I use it. I don't know. Leave a like to the video, subscribe. Maybe in the next video I can really show you how I dig deep into this website and try and uncover useful data. So they've got economic calendar there, they've got news there. It's a news feed, it's continuously getting updated. You can see it's just 39 seconds ago, 4 minutes ago. You don't need to be anywhere else really. And they've got from everywhere, from Africa, Ghana, from Cyprus, from India, from Norway, from Greece, and you can basically filter here the kind of news, the countries that you really want to focus on. Really, maybe you just want to focus on the US. You get the indicators for the US. As we know, the US is the economy that moves the markets usually. So maybe you just want to focus on the US, so you can get a whole lot of data just focusing on the US there. And we have markets, obviously, like I showed you with market watch there. You can easily take a peek and see what's probably is happening with your favorite forex pairs. So go ahead and test this out. Maybe let me leave a link to this website in the description box below. Then you can go ahead and decide for yourself if it's useful, if it's not useful. Maybe if you want me to do something, maybe an in-depth thing around about how I go in and out this website, then I can do that. But otherwise, maybe for you, some of you who are smarter than me or who are smarter in, you already just see how to use this, because this is basically almost straightforward really. Let's just see what more countries they have there. You can see in Africa they have a lot of countries, basically almost all of them. I mean, South Africa, we can actually look at some quick data on South Africa, what's happening in South Africa. We've got money there, we've got health there, we've got prices, labor, GDP. Basically you can get a lot. So if you are a person who is interested in trading, but not just based on a whim, or not just based on how you feel that day, but you really want to take trades based on solid economic data, solid fundamentals. Let's put it that way. If you want to trade based on solid fundamentals, I believe this is a good website to use. As you can see, you don't need to subscribe to anything, you don't need to pay anybody any money. If you want, maybe then you can actually log in and do whatever, but it's basically free information here. I'm not, by the way, By the way, maybe I forgot to put this out there. I am not in any way affiliated with these guys. I don't even know them. It's a website that I came across when I was looking for a resource for useful data that you can use in trading. So I'm not in any way affiliated with these people. I don't even know who they are. So in any case, let's say you find something that's not working well, or something happens. I'm very sorry, but I don't know the people behind this website, so I cannot help you if maybe you want to change something on the website, or maybe the website crashes your laptop. So basically what I'm saying is, use the website at your own risk. Don't lose money just because you watched this video and you went to this website and you thought it was like the shit. No, the risk is on you. Understand that even with all this information at your fingertips, basically you still need to understand that it's up to you. So yeah, I thought let me just share this resource with you guys. I've been testing it, I've been using it for a couple of months now, but like I always do with everything else, I always come and share everything with you guys. Tell me in the comment section below what you think, if you've gone through this website, what you think about it, and things like that. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.